In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly insert and update charts in Google Slides. This skill is essential whether you're preparing for a presentation, a class project, or simply want to convey data more effectively. Let's dive right in. To begin, we'll first need to open the Google Slides presentation where you want to insert your chart. Once your presentation is up and running, look towards the top of your screen and find the Insert menu. Click on it, and you'll be presented with a variety of options. Among these, focus on the Chart option. As you hover over the chart selection, you'll notice several types of charts you can choose from. These include bar, column, line, and pie charts. You'll also see an option labeled From Sheets. If you decide to go with one of the built-in chart types, Google Slides will immediately insert a chart using placeholder data. This means you can visualize the structure and layout of your data before you customize it. However, if you already have detailed data in a Google Sheets file, you might find the From Sheets option especially convenient. This feature allows you to pull in a pre-existing chart directly from a Google Sheets document. It's an efficient way to ensure your chart is fully integrated and reflects the precise data you need. Once you've inserted your chart, there might come a time when you need to update the data. Perhaps you've just received the latest figures, or your data points have changed. Don't worry, this process is straightforward. Click directly on your inserted chart, and you'll see a drop-down arrow appear. Click this arrow and select the Open Source option. This action will direct you to the linked Google Sheet associated with your chart. In this Google Sheet, you can freely update your data. After making your changes, head back to your Google Slides presentation. Generally, an Update button will appear on your chart within Slides if it detects any fresh data from the linked sheet. Simply click this button to refresh your chart, ensuring that your latest data changes are seamlessly integrated into your presentation. That's it. With these steps, you've successfully inserted and updated a chart in Google Slides. Mastering these interactions can significantly enhance the clarity and impact of your presentations. By presenting your data visually, you provide your audience with an immediate understanding of trends and patterns. Whether you're aiming for precision or creativity, these charts offer ample flexibility to meet your presentation needs. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks on making the most out of Google tools, and happy presenting.